Hey guys, it's Jess from Sallie Tomato and welcome to my channel. Today I have a super easy tutorial for you. It's a great way to use up your scraps. We are going to be making key fobs. First, let's gather up our supplies. You'll need a strip of cork fabric. You'll need to cut it 2 inches wide and by however many inches long you want. So I cut mine 2 inches by 12 inches. So when it's folded in half, it's going to be about a 6-inch long strip, and that will fit my wrist comfortably. So if you'd like, you could cut it 14 inches, 16 inches, or you could even cut it longer and use the full width to make a lanyard for yourself. You'll need your sewing machine, a pair of pliers, and a scrap of batting. Otherwise, you could use a rubber-coated pair of pliers. And of course, you'll need your Key Fob hardware. This hardware comes in 5 different colors. Choose between a nickel finish, gold, antique, gunmetal, and rose gold. One of the things that I love about cork fabric is you can leave the edges raw. So that's what makes this project so easy and quick to make. The first step is you're going to fold your piece of fabric wrong sides together and align the raw edges. So you can use some wonder clips or you can just align it as you go. And you're going to sew down each of the length sides 1/8 inch from the raw edge. Then you'll flip your strap around and top stitch 1/8 inch from the folded edge. So here's what your strap will look like once you're done sewing. Then you're simply going to fold it in half and match those short raw ends. Take your Key Fob hardware and you'll notice that there's 2 prongs inside the hardware, and that will help clamp down and hold your fabric in place. So you're simply going to put your fabric ends inside the hardware. Grab that scrap of batting and your pliers and place the batting around your key fob, and this will help protect the hardware from getting scratched when you use your pliers. Then you're simply just going to clamp the hardware together. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put a link down in the description below to the hardware used in this video. And if you do use this hardware in a project, be sure to tag Sallie Tomato on social media. See you next time.